East Manipur Meng Tabiribu Simbu Taram Okchari.
Governor Lakasida, Arambai Tengo, you and Pungama, Chubna, Wari Sanazamani, Koi Hanaguna, Hanamang, the petition to give a memorandum, Sapman memorandum Masigi, the Kumar Vala, Honorable Governor of Vicenzi. I never can see memorandums in my lobby Vayagani. See a memorandum never in Papi Vayagani. Adugatay to dopolite, ako manungda understanding Karlina, I don't understanding the Okona, Yam the Mukanja.
Like said that we matang kitang happy.
Adumatato what is unable. Adu is unable to condition door.
Condition
update of your
condition lady to Okungasima to cry down the game Hajar. Masi Waisana was a Quigi, CMPG Commissioner, Munindro, IPRO, Shamak, Robin, Adaway, Luching Purel Chip. Gorong anu kuman ada unit 19 ki commander ko kano langgol baga ko mari unjam
government side ki
kada ba
government side yaw
to ko na su yaw de
adu government kai thaja bi ke tai bi uba
governor ki thaja ba si full peace la ani ha gi adu kumba thaja ba piri admai torga ai koi da su man request tor is kari tare peace and normalcy lagna ba koi me anu mating pangbiu an hojiki kulai nungai me apikhan na ba kona ba si situation ji loir matung da highway akoi lady ba highway ni mak loi hangdoga akoi loi namak changna thongna ba ya ba hanagi hanagum normalcy lei state ama yam ing tap le ba ama dumba le ba ma oina ba mana tu matun honor ni har du mathang
kulai thadok pasida kano solution purak pangam gani na aram bai tingol thaja bi brap tai bi uba
adu akoi kona matang sa hajar gi ngsi mak hajar thank you
meeting sam tang wisdom